So, a very cheerful morning to all of you. The continuation video of the topic model. So, model, the definition and the kind of model. Few models are written here as example. So, in the previous video, we have studied about the use of model will. Use of model will. Now, in this second video, we are going to study the use of model would. So, as we are aware about the fact that the past form of will is would. So, we use would denoting the past tense of model will. So, here, where to use model would? So, use of would, past tense of will. When we are going to express the past form of will, then we use model would. Example, in a reported speech, Arun said he would go for a walk in the evening, denoting the future action. But what is here? The past sense is expressed here of will. So we use model would here, denoting the past tense of will. Now next, if any past habit or characteristics or past refusal is depicted there, then also we are going to use model would. Example, Rita would go on singing for hours. So this example shows what? The habit or characteristic features of Rita in the past time, not in the present time or future time, but here the habit or characteristics reflected Rita of past. So Rita would go on singing for hours. Next example, Jaya wouldn't come here. So here it denotes the past refusal, not the future refusal, but the refusal which were made in past hours. So we use would, and as it is refusal, so not is there. So these two stages where we are going to use would. Now next stage, if any polite request or conditional for other verb is depicted there, then we are going to use model would. Example, would you lend me your book? So it is a polite request. So the model would is written here. She would get good marks if she studied hard. So a condition is made there that if she studied hard, then she would get good marks, denoting the past tense. So the model would is used here. So in these three cases, we are going to use model would. Now the third type of model, we will study the use of should. And as we have earlier learned that should is the past form of shall. Likewise, would is the past form of will. So where to use should? So here, in the first case, if any obligation or duty is reflected there, then we are going to use model should. You should look after your parents. So it is the moral duty of every human to look after their parents. Obligation. So here we are going to use model should. If any logical deduction is there, example, Chief Minister's convoy is just 2 blocks away. They should be here any moment. Should means the Chief Minister convoy is very close. It may be here at any moment. So this shows the logical deduction. So here the model should is used. If any suggestion or advice is shown there, then we are going to use modal should. You should finish your work before you start playing. So before you start playing, you should finish your work. So this is a suggestion or advice given there. So in this we are going to use modal should. Next, if any probability or conditional for the first person is shown. If any probability is shown or any conditional is shown for the first person, then we are going to use should. It should rain today. So should rain today denote probability, a chance to rain today. So here we use should with third person. I should be glad if I could help you. Should. So here condition, that conditional verb is there for the first person, that if I could help, then I should feel glad. So this condition is shown there. So in this we use the modal should. So in this video we have studied what? That modal use of would and use of should. And would is the past form of will and should is the past form of shall. So modal, as per the meaning, that modal is what? It is just an auxiliary verb or helping verb that express any ability, possibility, permission or obligation, and all these denote future action. But one thing is what? That if any past sense is shown for the future action, for will we use would and for shall we use should. And where to use would and where to use shall, should is explained here.